Welcome to this tutorial on tips for Monday.com groups. Monday.com is a work operating system that allows teams to manage their work and collaborate with each other. A group in Monday.com is a collection of users who can work together on a board. To create a group, go to the People page and click on New Group. Then enter the group name and add the users you want to be part of the group. You can also add a description to the group to explain its purpose. One of the key concepts in Monday.com groups is the permission system. There are 4 permission levels: viewer, editor, creator, and admin. The viewer can only view the board. The editor can edit items. The creator can create new items. And the admin has full control over the board. To assign permissions to a group, go to the board settings and click on Permissions. Then select the group and choose the permission level. You can also customize the permissions to fit your team's needs. Another important concept is the board structure. A board in Monday.com is a visual representation of your work. It consists of items, which are the individual tasks or projects, and columns, which are the categories or stages of the workflow. To create a board, go to the Boards page and click on New Board. Then choose a template or start from scratch. You can add columns and items to the board and customize it to fit your team's workflow. Best practices for using Monday.com groups include setting clear goals and expectations, establishing a clear communication channel, and defining the roles and responsibilities of each team member. It is also important to regularly review and update the board to ensure it is accurate and up to date. In terms of practical examples, Monday.com groups can be used for a variety of purposes, such as managing a marketing campaign, tracking sales leads, or planning a project. For instance, a marketing team can create a board to track the progress of a campaign, with columns for each stage of the workflow, such as planning, creation, and launch. In conclusion, Monday.com groups are a powerful tool for team collaboration and work management. By understanding the key concepts, such as permission systems and board structures, and following best practices, teams can use Monday.com to increase productivity and achieve their goals.